Are you ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of Marvel Rivals and assemble your ultimate squad of superheroes and villains for epic battles across the Marvel Multiverse? Um, as a seasoned gamer with over 2 decades of experience and an unwavering love for all things Marvel, I can confidently say that Marvel Rivals has caught my attention uh, like none other communicated in Germany of the advanced Marvel rival. Well, all of these rival is soon by people on Moz. We the sheer excitement of assembling a squad of my favorite superheroes and villains to engage in epic battles across the Marvel multiverse is simply exhilarating. Marvel Rivals allows you to gather a team of renowned Marvel characters, both heroes and villains, and engage in thrilling six-player battles on various map locations scattered throughout the Marvel universe. These arenas can be destroyed as battles unfold. In a game that operates in real time, players can accumulate multiple types of virtual money to acquire new characters, outfits, and decorative elements. This particular page functions as the main hub for all of our Marvel Rivals guides, offering strategic advice, character analyses, and additional resources. To begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. With over 33 legendary Marvel characters to choose from, each offering distinct skills and gameplay styles, it's essential to understand the intricacies of each hero. Before diving into a powerful action, in this guide, we'll break down the essentials for new players and provide in-depth character analyses for each hero. Uh, from beginner tutorials on essential information for starting out in Marvel Rivals, conquering the battleground, and mastering, your favorite hero's abilities. We've got you covered. So buckle up and let's dive into the expansive world of Marvel Rivals together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, no matter which hero you choose, the key to victory in Marvel Rivals is mastering their unique abilities, identifying their strengths and weaknesses, and attacking together as one of unstoppable teams. And happy gaming, and may your battles be epic.